Right now, there's an animal near you that is experiencing a version of reality you will never feel. While you're watching this on a screen, your dog, a pigeon outside, or even a tiny ant is quietly picking up signals that might as well not exist for us. They're not seeing ghosts or reading minds, but they might be doing something even stranger. They could be sensing parts of the universe that the human brain was never built to notice. We like to think of our five senses as the full package: sight, hearing, touch, taste, smell. But to a shark, a bat, or a migratory bird, humans are basically half blind. Sharks can feel electric fields from the muscles of a fish buried in sand. Bats build 3D maps of the world out of echoes. Birds appear to see the Earth's magnetic field as a glowing pattern overlaid on reality. To them, a coastline or a forest isn't just a picture, it's a map drawn directly into their nervous system. And that's just the stuff we've managed to figure out. Here's where it gets weird. Across the world, there are stories of animals acting strangely before earthquakes, tsunamis, and storms. Dogs whining and refusing to go inside. Birds abandoning nesting sites hours before a quake. Elephants running inland before a wave hits. Coincidence? Maybe. But one possibility is that they're sensing ultra-low vibrations in the ground, tiny changes in air pressure, or shifts in the Earth's electromagnetic field long before our instruments notice. To us, disaster arrives out of nowhere. To them, the world might start sounding wrong hours in advance. Some animals take this to an almost supernatural level. Sharks can detect electric signals so faint they're close to the limits of physics. Certain fish and platypuses navigate murky rivers by feeling the electricity from living things around them, as if every creature is glowing in an invisible light. Migratory birds may have quantum-level compasses in their eyes, proteins that react to the Earth's magnetic field and create a ghostly pattern over their vision. Imagine looking at the sky and actually seeing north. Then there are the animals that seem to read us in ways we struggle to explain. Dogs that can warn owners of oncoming epileptic seizures or drops in blood sugar. Some appear to detect cancers just by smelling a person's breath or skin. They aren't doing magic. Their noses are simply operating in a chemical universe so detailed that the early warning signs of disease might stand out like bright colors. To them, your health might have a scent that changes long before any human doctor can see it on a scan. If you could step into the mind of a wild animal for just 5 seconds, your reality might shatter. An eagle soaring over a coastline may be combining ultra-sharp vision, air pressure changes along its wings, and distant infrasound from crashing waves into a single, seamless sense. A whale in the deep ocean might be feeling the shape of mountains and valleys thousands of kilometers away through low-frequency sound waves that pass straight through rock. A homing pigeon flying over a city could be layering smell, magnetism, sun position, and memory into one unified "where am I" feeling that we don't even have a word for. To us, these all sound like separate superpowers. To the animal using them, they might blend together into something that feels like a single extra sense. Not sight, not hearing, not touch, but something like orientation, danger, or home. A built-in intuition about the world that doesn't arrive as words or images, just a quiet certainty. And here's the unsettling part. From the animal's point of view, we are the ones who are disabled. We walk through electromagnetic storms we can't feel, swim in seas of chemical information we barely smell, and sit on a planet humming with ultra-low vibrations we never hear. We think the universe is calm and mostly empty because our brains are tuned to ignore almost all of it. So when we ask, do animals have a sixth sense? We might be asking the wrong question. It's not that they have one single extra sense and we don't. It's that every species is running its own private version of reality, wired into whatever parts of the universe helped it survive. Humans evolved to notice faces, language, tools, and drama. Other animals evolved to notice storms, predators, magnetic fields, microscopic sense. The real mystery isn't whether animals can sense things beyond human comprehension. It's how much of reality is passing straight through us, unnoticed, every minute of every day. Because right now, as you listen to my voice, something is listening to the earth itself. Something is smelling the future state of your body. Something is navigating by a map you will never see. And to that animal, you are the one with only 5 senses.